Hello, traders. Today is Thursday, June 26th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen. And I'm starting off on the daily time frame, as you can see. So on the daily time frame, I think this is an ABC correction right here, and it looks like it's an ABC correction to the last impulsive down. So this potentially could be an A, this could be a B, and it potentially could go down, take out the lower wave A for wave C, and then maybe turn back up in a much bigger way. So I wanted to be on the daily time frame because that's where you can really see the pattern that we are likely looking at. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I left my Fibonacci retracement on here from yesterday because this was definitely a 1, 2, 3 way pullback to a Fibonacci level, engulfing move to the downside, which is exactly what I look for every single day. Is I look for the trend to be up and down on the higher time frames, and I go to a shorter time frame, look for three-way pullbacks, and go short or long at Fibonacci levels when you get a nice engulfing move to the downside. So I just wanted to leave that on there because that was a pretty nice example of a short. Now, based on the higher time frames, I am definitely doing nothing but looking for shorts. I am only going to look for shorts on three-way pullbacks like this example I just showed you. I'm definitely not going to try to go short right now. I'm definitely not going to try to go long right now, but when and if we get another three-way pullback, I am definitely going to try to go short at the end of that three-way pullback on a Fibonacci bounce and an engulfing move to the downside. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord group, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.